In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a date picker to your site in WordPress. Whether you're running a booking platform, managing event registrations, or simply looking to improve user interactivity on your site, a date picker can make selecting dates seamless and intuitive for your visitors. This tool not only enhances your website's functionality, but also helps streamline processes like scheduling and form submissions. If you're new to WordPress or haven't explored this feature yet, don't worry, I'll guide you through every step of the process so you can get it set up in no time. If you don't already have a WordPress account, you can use the link in the description below to sign up and get started. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any browser of your choice. Once it's open, navigate to the WordPress website by typing www.wordpress.com in the address bar and pressing Enter. When you're on the WordPress homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Login option. This will take you to the Sign-in page. Now, instead of entering your email and password manually, I recommend selecting the option to continue with Google. This method is not only faster, but also leverages Google's advanced security features to keep your account safe. However, if you prefer another login method, WordPress offers alternatives like email login, so feel free to choose the one that works best for you. Once you click Continue with Google, a prompt will appear asking you to select the Google account you'd like to sign in with. Simply click on your preferred account, and just like that, you'll be logged into your WordPress dashboard. Now that you're logged in, look for the Quick Links section on your dashboard. This is where you'll find handy shortcuts to commonly used features. Locate and click on the Edit Site link. This will take you straight to the editing interface for your site. If you manage multiple websites, you'll be presented with a list. Simply select the specific website where you want to add the date picker. Once you're inside the editing interface, you'll notice a plus icon at the top left corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a search bar where you can find various widgets and features to add to your site. In the search bar, type Date Picker. This will filter the options and make it easier to locate the tool. When you see the Date Picker option in the search results, click on it. This action will add the Date Picker widget directly to your web page. Adding this widget is a great way to simplify the process of date selection for your visitors, especially if you're creating booking forms, event calendars, or any feature that requires users to input a date. Now that the widget has been added, it's time to save your changes. Look to the top right corner of the editing interface for the Save button and click on it. Saving your updates is crucial because it ensures that all the changes you've made are securely recorded and ready for your visitors to use whenever they access your site. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you've successfully added a date picker widget to your WordPress site. This feature is now ready to enhance functionality and provide a smoother user experience for your visitors. If you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover in future videos, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.